In this lesson, we're going to look at how a user can make best use of the simple search facilities of Sage CRM. If data has been added into the system, then a user will need to be able to find it. You can see that I've just logged on into the system here and I'm looking at the dashboard within the My CRM menu. I want to now look for a company. The search menu is accessed from the top right. And I've clicked the search icon and now I can select the company option. This is the standard company search screen and it's a typical form for most entities. We can see that we can enter text into some fields and choose options in others. If I enter the name or part of a name of a company, for example, if I enter GAT and then click Find, this will return those companies with names that start with GAT. If we want to find a company name that contains a word, then we can search in a slightly different way. First of all, though, I have to clear the search screen by clicking the Clear button. This resets the screen so a new search can be made with fresh criteria. Here, I've entered the word technology, but you'll notice I've put a % sign in front of it. The % sign is used as a wildcard and stands for any number of characters before the text. This has returned companies that have technology in their name. If we enter anything else in other fields on the search screen, this will further restrict the data returned. I've just entered Washington as the city. This additional entry will filter the data when I click Find. Both fields, company name and city, have been used to filter the data. If more information is entered into the search screen, the results will be narrowed. I now want to look at another search screen. Here you can see a screen that will search communication records. The screen has test and selection fields like the company search screen, but it also has a date field. And if I zoom in, we can see that the field allows dates to be searched for either using a relative date or a range. Now I'm going to use the idea of a relative date for my search. And I know that I spoke with somebody in the last month and I want to find a communication that mentions requirements in its details. So I'll add % requirements into the details field and then I'll click Find. And if I scroll down, you can see that here I found results.
We can see that we've got quick find functionality. The quick find feature allows you to type into the box, and the more you type, the narrower the search becomes. It'll search across all of the main entities, company, person, opportunities, etc., including any custom entities that you've added into your system.
Now the next lesson will look at searching using the features of advanced find and keyword searches.